Welcome back everyone. In this video, I will discuss what are the different data types available in Go programming language. Data type means what type of value a particular variable will hold. Let me show you the different data types available. In Go, the data types can be divided into different categories. The first one is basic data types. Basic data type means those kind of data types where we can hold only single type of value. Now in basic data type, first of all we have Boolean type. And to declare the Boolean type, we use bool data type. Bool data type can have two values, either true or false. After that, we have numeric types. In numeric types, we have integers. In integers, first of all, we have signed integer. Signed integer means in these kind of data types, we can hold both positive as well as negative numbers. In signed integers, we have int 8, 16, 32, 64, int, which is platform dependent, either 32 or 64 bit depending on the architecture, and here I have specified the range. This means if you declare the data type as int 8, this means we can store the value from -128 to 127, and similarly I have written the range for other data types as well. After that, we have unsigned integer, means this can hold only non-negative numbers. In unsigned integer, we have u int 8, u stands for unsigned, then we have 16, 32, 64 and int. After that, we have floating point numbers. Floating point number means those kind of numbers which can hold decimal numbers, right? Now here we have float 32 and float 64. Float 32 represents a 32-bit floating number which is called as the single precision, and float 64 means represents a 64-bit floating point number which is also called as double precision. After that, we have complex numbers. Complex number means where we can hold the real number as well as imaginary number. Now in complex number, we have complex 64. Complex 64 represents a complex number with real and imaginary parts of type float 32, and in complex 128 it represents a complex number with real and imaginary parts of type float 64. After that, we have aliases. In aliases, we have byte and rune. Byte means it is the alias for u int 8, commonly used for the raw byte data, and rune, it is the alias, or rune, it is the alias for int 32, which is used to represent a Unicode code point. After that, we have strings. Strings are used to represent a group of characters. These things or these data types I will discuss as I will proceed in my tutorial series. After that, after basic data type, we have composite data types. Composite data types allows us to combine values of multiple types. In composite data types, we have array, slices, structs, maps, pointers, and after that we have reference type. In reference type, we have functions, channels and interfaces. All these things I will discuss as I will proceed in my tutorial. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching.